Oh, hiya folks, Simon here. Welcome back to the channel. It is a bit of a late one for me tonight, so apologies if I seem a little tired. I did want to make this video though, because I've been trying for the last couple of days to get this darned update for the DJI Fly app. It's been updated to 1.2.4. I've been seeing a lot of good things about this update online, that it fixes a host of issues, but it just wasn't being pinged to my device. In the end, I actually searched for the Fly app, even though I'd already got it installed. Search for it in the App Store. I was able to update it from there, but I was waiting for it to ping to my list of apps that need to be updated. Just wasn't happening. Maybe that will help you guys. So like many of you, my drone of choice has, of course, been the DJI Mini 2. And I've got to say, it has been a fantastic drone. However, there have been a number of software issues that were introduced with the last couple of versions of the app. So hopefully, many of those have now been fixed. If we just pop over to see the actual update notes now. These are the documented notes. The first one is that DJI Fly app now remembers screen orientation when launching the app using the same aircraft model with portrait orientation lock enabled. But it's nice that it's been fixed. Next up, it adds device management under profile to allow you to learn more about your devices and check their usage data. Now, we already had device management in 1.22 of the app here on iOS because I've been using it. So I'm assuming this is more specifically aimed to the Android devices. And then finally, hopefully, an update note that's going to be beneficial to all of us. The software fixes certain issues and improves overall app stability and user experience. One thing I noted from the forum is that as part of this fix, the compass is now working as intended. Those of you that have been watching my previous DJI Mini 2 videos will have noticed, or may have noticed, that I still use the original map interface and not the new compass interface. And that's because the compass seemed to be quite bugged for me when I tried to use it. The orientation was off. It just never seemed to work properly, and it actually made things quite confusing. But a lot of people that have also been experiencing that issue are now saying it's been fixed with this update. So I'm very excited to get my drone out again when it's daytime. It's not at the moment, in order to test out that new compass feature at last. And hopefully it will be working as intended. Now, one major issue that people have been reporting on for the last few weeks, I've never had this, but I really hope this has been fixed, is that the app would just crash in the middle of a flight. You could have full range of signal, have no indication of any issues, and then bang, just like that, the app completely closes. You lose all connection to your aircraft, and it's a real struggle to get it back. Obviously, a very worrying and concerning thing to happen in the middle of a drone flight. That was a pretty big issue. I'm hoping that 1.2.4 addresses that. And just to clarify as well, this is only an app update that we're talking about today. There hasn't been any further firmware released for the actual hardware itself as of yet. If there is, of course, I will keep you notified of that. Anyway, apologies again, folks, that this was just a quick video. No bells or whistles, but I did want to get that information out to you, especially if you're using an iOS device as I am and couldn't find the update. Just make sure you search for the app in the store and you should be able to update it from there. And hopefully it will fix any issues you may have recently been having. But thanks so much for stopping by. Come back tomorrow. I'm going to have another drone video, a proper one this time. I've already got it recorded, edited, and ready to go. So I hope you guys will enjoy that. But have a good evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye.